So this isn't the best example. All my other eagles have been shipped out to customers. This was the first one I ever made, so it's pretty rough, but my latest ones are actually much nicer than this. And I've been able to keep a lot more of that detail on there. But this is basically what they look like, the American Eagle. Still got all that detail on the inside. And then this is a Morgan dollar. Pretty cool. I really like that "In God We Trust" on this one. So I actually prefer, let me show you. And again, this isn't the best example. This is one of my demo rings that I was messing around with, but to show you the back side of the Morgan on the outside of the ring, that's what this looks like. And this is really one of my favorite coin ring designs. I think this just comes out super great for a ring. But you don't get the date on the outside, and that's kind of the hang up with it, is a lot of people want the date on the outside of the rings. But as far as Morgans, I prefer them this way. But it looks good both ways. It's a cool ring. And just as an example, this is a peace dollar. See, it says peace on the inside there. I haven't sold a lot of these, but I think they look really great. I'm not sure why people don't get these. If you want to see my prices, you can tap this button up here that has my logo on it, and then the link on my profile, and you can see all my prices there. They range based on the size of the coin and what it's made of. This is another cool one that I made recently. This is a Susan B. Anthony dollar, and I think they just come out as great rings. Just the detail all the way across it, it makes a perfect ring. I think they're really like meant to be rung. These are really cool. But again, I got distracted by shiny things. I got to finish fixing this sticker, and then we'll fold some cowboy hats. So